Don't throw your money away on renovations that won't get you ROI. These are the top 5 renovations you can make to your home that will give you the highest return on investment. Coming in at number 5 with a 92% ROI is a major bathroom remodel. Number 4 is converting unused attic space into a bedroom. This has a 93% ROI. Number 3 has a 98% ROI, a minor kitchen remodel. Things like painting cabinets, replacing countertops, and installing new hardware. Number 2 is new landscaping and has a 100% ROI. And number 1 with 102% ROI is a minor bathroom remodel. Easy things like updating fixtures, new flooring, and fresh paint.